Hi everybody, it's Diana with Stamping with Di. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and this week's Teach Me Tuesdays, episode 279. And this is going to be a really quick video because I'm actually going to come back tomorrow on Wednesday, and I usually don't do a video on Wednesday, and we're going to do the catalog flip through because the mini catalog starts tomorrow, the 3rd, and I don't want to wait till Friday because you could be shopping for 2 days, right? So I'm going to come back tomorrow and do that. So this will be a really quick one. I don't want to remind you about my upcoming classes that our registration's already started for them. One is almost sold out. And I want to show you the mini masterpiece for September. And oh my gosh, it is so cute. So yeah, that's what I want to do. So if you are new to my channel, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. My name is Diana, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator, and I'm in Santan Valley, Arizona. So welcome. I'm so glad that you're here. So during the video premiere, I'm in the chat room, so you want to head on over there. That's where I'll be with my friends. If you're watching the replay, you have a question or a comment, leave it below, and then YouTube lets me know, and then I can reach out to you. But make sure you subscribe to my channel, and then that way you don't miss out, especially when I do an impromptu video like tomorrow. It's even, although I guess it's not impromptu if I'm telling you ahead of time, but I guess, I don't know. I'll have to look up that word, what it really means. I'm a stamper, not a very good knower of words. All right, so I'm going to flip the camera to get started. So close your eyes just for a second. Okay, so before I get to the mini masterpiece, I want to remind you about the classes. And I haven't reminded you about this before, but I don't think I had registration open for some of them, but now registration is open for all of them. This is the September class, and it's the Coneflower Celebrations. This is such a cool set. Oh my gosh, I have been loving coloring it so much. I've been having so much fun with it. So you'll get the bundle. So you get the stamp set and the coordinating die. Like I said, this one is almost sold out. And I can only do classes in the USA. So if you're watching from, another country, I apologize that I can only do the USA. And I don't sell my PDFs. Those are just for the people that register for the class. I get asked that all the time. So this is $75 for the class. It includes the bundle, 5 projects, the supplies you need for those projects, the PDF with the close-up pics, and then there's a video. So I do a video so you can make your projects along with me. So it's almost like, I'm teaching you, one-on-one or whatever. So anyways, so yeah, this class goes out September the 29th, the week of September 29th. So make sure you register for this as soon as you can. If you do have this, you can switch that out. You just need to let me know, and you need to let me know right away. Like I said, I'm almost sold out. All right, then October. So I'm taking December off. So because of that, I'm going to do 2 classes in October. So the first one is a really cute Long Time No See. And you can get more information on these classes on my blog up there. So I won't go into too much detail with these, but I'm just kind of coming on here to remind you. So Long Time No See is one in October, and then the second one in October is a really cute Festive Friends bundle, and it has the really cute little stamp set, and then it has a coordinating die with some really fun pieces in there, like a really cute tag, and then these little guys, you've got dies to cut them out, so it's super fun. So I've already got quite a few people registered for these classes, so you don't want to miss out. All right, and then November will be the last class of 2025, and that's a really cute gingerbread man, but I forgot to put bread in there. The Gingerbread Man bundle, and it is so fun too. So it's got your stamp set and your die, and he's a pretty good size, so he's really fun. And then this one will go out the week of November 24th. The October class will go out the week of October 27th. So just make sure you let me know if you want to register for any of those. All right, so the mini masterpiece. So the mini masterpiece is just something that I do. I put in your thank you card once the month is over. So now August is over. So then, you know, Stampin' Up finishes our reports, and then I can figure, you know, who gets like a regular thank you card, and I always send thank you cards. But if you qualify for the mini masterpiece, then I stick one in your thank you card. So this was August. So this is the cute little. I just love the silhouette kind of look of this, and this uses. This might be from a retired set. A lot of times I do. I pull out some of my old retired ones just so that I can have fun with them, you know, because I love to stamp. So, and it doesn't always have to be current because it's just a special little, you know, I only make so many of them. So anyway, so this will go out, you know, with your August thank you card, the first part of September. And then September's is this one. Oh my gosh. I love this set. This is an old, I think it was called Rhyme Time. And this is Mary Had a Little Lamb, actually. Because there was different nursery rhymes in there. But I just had so much fun coloring her and her little sheep. And I even added, let's see if the camera will pick up on it. I added a little Wink of Stella. And I added a little, so you can see that twinkly twinkly on the bell and the collar around the sheep. I added some of the fine tip glue so that it dries like, almost like crystal effects. Remember we had crystal effects? Now you just use the fine tip glue, this right here, and let it dry, and it turns into crystal effects. So I added, but it is kind of hard to see. So the camera's not really catching it too well, but oh my gosh, she is so cute. So this will be the September 2025 mini masterpiece. So if you order 75 before tax and shipping in my store for the month of September, when I send you your September thank you card, the first part of October, you'll get one of these. So again, this was the August one, and this is the September one. I've been having so much fun with them, and then I put them in, I have like a little book. So I just kind of stick them in this little book so I can kind of look back, you know, and see what I've done. Because I've been doing them for, oh my gosh, quite a while when I look back here. And then these are the older ones. I used to do it years and years ago, and they were smaller. And so these are just some of the older ones. But so when did I start these back up again? Let me see. This was July 2024. So, wow, I didn't realize I was doing them as long. So it's funny to hear from you what you say that you're doing with them. Some people put them on like cards. Some people frame them. You know, you can do whatever you want with them. But anyways, all right, so this is the September one. So let me say, whoa, see you later, alligator. So yeah. I think she's adorable. And then she'll just sit in. I have this little tiny flower frog. So I just kind of stick her like that. And then I put my mini masterpieces up here for the month. So I don't know if you see that back there. It's kind of hard to see with my big head in the way. But anyway, that's where they sit for the month. And then if I need to whip it out to show, I have it right handy. All right, so I'm going to stop blabbing. So like I said, I will be back tomorrow to do a flip through of the new mini catalog. There will also be some new kits that I won't have them obviously, but hopefully I'll be able to show like a flyer or something because we have new kits as well. So hopefully you'll join me. That will be 3 o'clock Arizona time, same channel. I was going back and forth. I think it was Lori wanted to know what time it would be. And I was back and forth, well, do I do it a different time? And I thought, you know what, I'm just going to keep it at the 3 o'clock because that's what everybody is used to. It is what I'm used to as well, because then I know if I have to you know, run errands or a doctor's appointment or what have you, I can always schedule those things in the morning so that I know that I'm home in order to be in the video, like the chat room during the video. So it just kind of works. That 3 o'clock is a good time for me. Now remember, when the times change, if you live somewhere that the clock changes times, that will change for you. Even though it stays 3 o'clock for me, it may alter through, you know, different times of the year. So always look and say, what time is it in Arizona? You can Google that and it will tell you. All right, so I'm going to stop blabbing. I will see you tomorrow for that flip through, and hopefully you'll join me. So have a great night. If you have any questions or you want to register for any of these classes, please let me know right away, and I'll see you tomorrow. All right, bye for now.